Opening a saving account in Wells Fargo is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can open a Wells Fargo's saving account. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for Wells Fargo saving account. So if I search for that, I'll be able to see a lot of website, but you have to go to this website, which is open a saving account online from wellsfargo.com. So now you will be able to see this option. Now here the process is pretty simple. Now there have multiple type of saving account. You just need to learn more. If you want to see, you just have to click on this learn more and learn more in order to know the difference between all these of things. So after choosing what type of saving account you want to make, you just have to click on this open now. It will take you to a new page, and a new page should have the instructions or a process in which you need to as you guys can see, I currently am in a process where I have to add my zip code, all of the information, and I have to continue. And as you guys can see, I got into the process of creating an account. Now, from now onwards, the things are pretty simple. Currently in my region, Wells Fargo is not available, so I cannot exactly show you how you guys can create, but you just need to add on the information that they want you to add. So after that, your Wells Fargo saving account should be ready to use. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can create a saving account for Wells Fargo. Hope you guys find this very helpful.